for barista style coffee without leaving the house, then you might want to check out this Dolce Gusto Nescafe machine. So you just fill the tank up with water at the back. It's 0.8 litres. It comes off really easily. Then you pop in a pod into the pod holder, pop it in there, put your cup on the removable drip tray. It's really easy to clean that drip tray by removing it. Turn it on, wait for that red light to go green, pop the top down so it pierces the coffee pod, and that will allow it for the water to run through it. So you can see it's got a switch at the top. It's hot. It switches from cold to hot. Once the light is green, then that means it's ready, and the water will start heating up as it runs through the coffee machine. You see it's nice and hot there. It will fill your coffee cup. It's quite quick. You can get different pods as well. So some pods you can make like a latte, and it has a 2-pod system. So you start with the creamer, and then you change the pod halfway through and then put the coffee pod in. You can see the water will go down as it runs through there. It's actually really easy to clean, so you might want to descale it sort of every 1 to 3 months, depending on whether you have a soft or hard water area. You can just put a descaling solution in the tank at the back, and then you run it through. Obviously, there are instructions available specifically for that. So signs of needing a descaling are like a reduced temperature, a reduced flow. So if you notice any of those things, then you might want to give it a good descale. So you can see there that the coffee is coming through. It's a really compact machine as well, so it doesn't take up a lot of space on your work surface, because you've probably got your air fryer, your microwave, your kettle. You're thinking, do I need another appliance? But actually, it is really compact, so it just slides into a small space easily. You can see that it makes lovely barista style coffee. You get a really good mug of coffee there. Any drips will go in that drip tray, which, as I say, can be removed for easy cleaning. And if you want to add a little dash of milk, you can do that too. So yeah, if you like your morning coffee sat on your couch in your pyjamas, then this is a good one to check out. You can see the pod there with the pierced hole in there, which allows the coffee to come through.